What up, I'm Rob Level, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Let's go ahead and get into it. I want you to think about all the times in your life when you listen to music that you love, okay? Then I want you to realize that when people listen to your music that you make, that they're listening to you during all of those times in their life too, right? The hard times, the good times. Your song will be part of their family times, their friend times, their party times, their sex and their love times, their fun times, their gym workouts, their drive to work. And if their place of work is like our office here at Smart Rapper, they get to listen to music at work too. I'll listen to a song I love literally hundreds of times within the first few months that the song is out. It's basically part of every single day of my life for months straight, okay? Think about being part of tens of thousands to millions of people's lives for months straight every day. You. Think about how much impact your music truly has. That's what this video is for, because you're truly special as a music artist, okay? You probably never even thought about it like this. This is why it's important for you to make the best music that you possibly can. And put all of your heart into your art. Make every song incredible and go above and beyond to create something amazing every single time, right? You owe your fans that. These songs are going to be in their lives forever. It's part of them, even when they stop listening to this song, because it's memorized now. They know it. It's part of their life. Your music and the quality of your music is more important than you ever realize. I know you never thought about this, right? So always do your best to create your best before you put it out into the world, okay? I'm Rob Level. I hope this inspired you today. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
They be asking me like, Rob, how'd you make it high? Chasing music as a job without suicide. I'm old, it made the money make me blind. Cause all I see is pain when I'm inside. Then they say to me like, Rob, so your Jekyll Heights. We've never seen you sob while you telling lies.